This moment, right now, is more powerful than most people realize. You are standing at the edge of a reality you've forgotten you can shape. The truth is, we've been conditioned to believe we are small, separate, and limited. But what if I told you that in the deepest layers of existence, you are infinite, you are source, you are the creator? Let's enter the quantum world, where the illusion of separation dissolves. In this invisible dimension, there is no material, no objects, no boundaries. It's all energy, frequency, vibration, information, and consciousness. Nothing solid, no particles, just infinite potential. And the moment we stop identifying with our body, our name, our job, our story, and instead tune into the present, truly tune in, we tap into that field. That is where real creation begins, because this field is you. Even Einstein acknowledged this truth. He said, the field is the sole governing agency of the particle. In other words, it's not matter shaping matter. It's energy, consciousness, intention, shaping reality. When you alter the field, you naturally change the particle. When you shift energy, you shift the material world. Let's go deeper. Atoms, the building blocks of everything, are 99.9999999% empty space. Just energy, just information. Only a minuscule fraction is actually physical. So why do we experience things as solid and separate? Because our senses only detect a tiny range of frequency. We're only seeing the light bouncing off the slowest, densest energy, matter. That's what creates this grand illusion, this holographic projection. But in truth, everything is unified. Everything is already connected in the field. So what does this mean for you? If you could stop placing your attention on the 3D world, on your body, your phone, your past, your future, and instead center yourself in the now, in the eternal present, you would shift from being someone to being pure awareness, from a somebody to a nobody, from somewhere to nowhere, from some time to no time. And in that state, you are limitless. You are not the observer. You are the field itself. Now comes the shift, entering the void. So imagine we strip away everything. Earth, planets, stars, galaxies, all matter. What's left? Nothing. And yet that nothing is rich with energy, frequency, and infinite intelligence. When you sit in meditation and release your identity, your memories, your roles, and you just be with no name, no past, no face, you enter this realm of infinite potential, and something miraculous happens. Your brain begins to reorganize. In stress, your brain is fragmented, pulled in 100 directions, but when you focus on nothingness, wholeness returns. The left and right hemispheres begin to sync. The brain begins to fire in harmony, like a beautiful orchestra. And when that harmony deepens, wave patterns align, frequencies amplify. The brain becomes coherent. It becomes a single unified signal. Now your intention, your thoughts, are no longer scattered. They are powerful, clear, and sharp, like a laser. But here's the secret. While the brain is electrical, the heart is magnetic. Your brain sends the intention. Your heart pulls the reality to you. And pure love, not emotional attachment, but cosmic love, is the most magnetic force in the universe. Scientific studies have shown the heart's magnetic field can extend up to 3 meters wide. So when you fall in love with your future, when you feel it is already done, you begin to draw it into your physical world. You're no longer chasing outcomes. They're finding you. Now imagine a coherent brain sending a clear signal and a coherent heart radiating deep love. Together, they create a strong resonance with the quantum field. This energy connects with a specific possibility, a timeline, a reality that already exists in potential. And slowly it begins to unfold in your life. You start noticing synchronicities, the right people, the right opportunities. They just appear. Not because you're forcing anything, but because your energy aligns with them. Honestly, this shift in frequency is real, and I truly realized it when I experienced it myself. Not just me, I've seen the same transformation in people around me too. That's when I came across something called the Money Wave program. It's designed to help raise your frequency and align you with abundance. It works through specific audio sessions and daily energy practices that gently tune your subconscious to attract wealth and flow. If you're genuinely ready for a shift, I'd suggest giving it a try. The link is in the description below. You don't go to the future. You become it. You don't chase abundance. You align with it. You're not seeking love. You're radiating it. That's when you realize you're not a drop in the ocean of energy. You are the ocean creating waves. You are source, and source doesn't go looking for anything. It generates everything. And when that future becomes real, when you finally experience the life you consciously created, something extraordinary happens. You stop caring about the betrayals. You stop holding on to the past because you've rewritten the story. You've proved to yourself what you always knew deep down, that you are the creator, and nothing and no one can take that power away from you again. So the question is, will you continue to live from matter or rise into creation through the field? Will you keep chasing or become the one who draws? You are more powerful than you've ever been told. You are consciousness itself. You are the field. And it's time to remember who you really are. If this message awakens something in you, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and comment how this shifted your perspective. Subscribe for more soul-expanding content. And remember, you were never separate.